Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how plants grow. Plants grow from four things: stem, leaf, root and seeds. Stem. Potato and rose grows from stem. You can see buds on the potato. We call them eyes of the potato. Many times you had seen that from the eyes of the potato a small baby shoot is coming out. This is because potato is an underground stem. You can cut a potato into many pieces. Remember, every piece should have at least one bud on it, and you can plant it, and slowly and gradually a potato plant will grow. Rose is grown by stem cutting. Suppose this is a rose plant. Then you have to cut the stem like this, slanting. You have to cut the main stem like this, slanting, and it would look like this. Remember, don't cut the stem horizontally, it should be slanting, and you have to put it 3/4 under the ground and 1/4 on top of the soil, and then slowly and gradually a rose plant will grow. Remember, rose needs a lot of sunlight, so you had to put it under the soil. You had to put it in a sunny area. Now leaf. There is only one plant in the world that grows from leaves, that is Bryophyllum. See, the leaf of the Bryophyllum is very fleshy. See, suppose it is the leaf of a Bryophyllum, so it has many buds on the edges of the leaf. Small leaf-like structures grow from these buds. And when wind or water comes, these leaf-like structures fell and where it falls, a new Bryophyllum plant grows. Now from the root. There are many plants that grow from roots, like carrot. Carrot is a root. You can see hair-like structures around the carrot. They are the small roots of the carrot plant. You can put a carrot in a soil and a new carrot plant will grow. Many plants like carrots grow from the roots. Now seeds. In the childhood, many times you had wondered that can I open the seed and see inside it, or how a small seed turns into a big huge tree. So let's see the parts of a seed. These are the outer layers of the seed. This is the seed coat. This is the hole for water. And this is the scar. The scar connects the seed from the fruit. When the water ends from this hole, it swells up the seed coat, and the baby plant which is inside, which is called the embryo, taking the nutrition from the soil. These are the inner layers of the soil. This blank part is called cotyledon. So these are the inner parts of the seed. When the seed pod didn't swell up, during the time the seed pod didn't swell up, the cotyledon provides the nutrition to the embryo. The baby shoot and baby root together are called as embryo. So the cotyledon provides the nutrition to the embryo, and when the seed coat swells up from the water, the embryo starts taking the nutrition from the soil and then turns into a baby plant. Now the process in between the seed converts into a baby plant is known as germination. So how germination happens and what germination needs? The germination needs air, water and warmth. If one of them are missing or they are not in the enough amount, the seed will not convert into a baby plant, and if it will not convert into a baby plant, how can a big tree come? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share to my channel.